Hello there, wonderful children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Ahad. Let's say it together. Al-Ahad. Great job. This special name means that Allah is the one and only. There is no one else like Him at all. Think about your favorite toy. Maybe you have a teddy bear or a special doll. Even though it's your favorite, there might be other toys just like it in the store. But Allah is different. He is completely unique. There is only one Allah and no one can ever be like Him. He has no partners, no family, and no one to help Him because He doesn't need any help. Let me give you another example. When you look up at the sky at night, you see lots and lots of stars, right? And during the day, you see the bright sun. Even though there are billions of stars in the universe, there is only one Allah who created all of them. He created everything we can see, the stars, the sun, the moon, the trees, the animals, and even you and me. When we say Allah is Al-Ahad, we're saying that He is the only one we worship. Just like you know that your parents love you in a special way that no one else does, we know that Allah takes care of us in a way that no one else can. He gives us everything we need, watches over us all the time, and loves us more than anyone else could. Isn't it amazing to know that the one who created everything cares about each and every one of us? When we remember that Allah is Al-Ahad, it makes our hearts feel warm and happy. It reminds us that we can always turn to Him because He is the one and only who can help us with anything. Remember, dear children, Allah is always there for you, and He loves it when you talk to Him and remember His beautiful names.